Hello, everyone. Are you wondering how to clean a dog's ears? Let's explore. Cleaning a dog's ears is an important part of regular grooming to prevent infections and keep their ears healthy. Start by gathering the necessary supplies, including a dog-specific ear cleaner and cotton balls or gauze. Avoid using cotton swabs, as they can push debris deeper into the ear canal. Begin by inspecting your dog's ears for any signs of redness, discharge, or odor, which could indicate an infection. If you notice any of these signs, it is important to consult your vet before cleaning. If your dog's ears appear healthy, gently lift one ear flap and pour a small amount of ear cleaner into the ear canal. Massage the base of the ear for about 30 seconds to help loosen any dirt or wax. Next, use a cotton ball or gauze to gently wipe away the debris from the outer part of the ear. Repeat the process on the other ear. Allow your dog to shake their head, as this can help remove any remaining ear cleaner or debris. Regular ear cleaning can help prevent ear infections, especially in dogs with floppy ears or those prone to ear issues. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.